Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make steak pho. Start by searing your steak and roasting beef bones, onion, and ginger. Toast spices in a pan for extra aroma and add them to a large pot. Simmer gently for hours, skimming foam, until the broth is clear and flavorful. Strain, season with fish sauce, and prepare rice noodles. Assemble bowls with thinly sliced steak and fresh herbs for a classic finish. To build a standout broth, roast bones at high heat until browned, then char onion and ginger on the stovetop for layers of flavor. Lightly smash and toast spices before enclosing them in cheesecloth so you can remove them easily. Start with cold water and bring to a gentle simmer, not a rolling boil, to keep clarity. Skim impurities during the first hour and adjust seasoning with fish sauce and a touch of salt. When assembling, prepare rice noodles just before serving so they stay springy and separate. Blanch quickly in hot water and drain. Slice cooked or barely rare steak thinly across the grain for maximum tenderness and ease of eating. Arrange herbs, bean sprouts, lime wedges, and long slices of jalapeno on the side so each person customizes their bowl. Pour boiling broth over noodles and steak to finish and lift the aroma.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.